In this video we're breaking down the Fifth Third Secured Credit Card, a tool designed for anyone rebuilding or starting credit. This card requires a refundable security deposit starting at $300, which also sets your credit limit. It comes with a $24 annual fee and reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, helping you establish positive credit history when used responsibly. You'll get essential protections like $0 fraud liability, MasterCard ID theft protection, and the convenience of digital wallet compatibility. The card's biggest strength lies in its accessibility. It's easier to qualify for compared to traditional unsecured cards. Plus, your deposit is refundable once you close or upgrade your account in good standing. However, there are trade-offs. The $24 annual fee and lack of rewards make it less appealing compared to newer secured cards that offer cashback or no annual fee. Its low starting limit and potentially high interest rate also mean it's not ideal for carrying balances. Overall, the Fifth Third Secured Card is a straightforward choice for building credit safely, but not the best for long-term value. Use it wisely, pay on time, and upgrade when your score improves. Subscribe for more honest credit card breakdowns every week.